Thokozani. So this is what happens uma umuntu ethwala. Sikhuluma ukuthwala kwangempela, not ifani kalokho. Ukuthwala okuserious not lokho okugcwele kuma social media. Ukuthwala kwangempela. Okwabantu abanga-advertise ukuthi bayathwalisa okwangempela. The first thing that you do, or the first thing that they do to you, baqala kuqala ngqa bekufake kwi-coffee, bekufake emgodini bekugqibele. After lapho bayakuvusa uphume futhi. Why are they doing that? It's because ispirit sakho wena yourself, ispirit sakho, your spiritual person has to depart from your body. It has to move. It has to be away from you. Ubuwena buyasuka kusala inyama. And then inyama lana uma isisele isigqokwa yilo muntu asebemvusele wena ukuthi azophila phezulu. So lowo muntu sephila ngaphakathi kwakho kodwa wena ubuwena bakho noma your spiritual person akasekho. Uthunjiwe already. So kusala ngaphakathi kwakho sokuphila omunye umuntu ongayisuwe spiritual. This is why kusiba lama terms and conditions ekuthwaleni kwangempela, even especially to those people that belong to secret society or ama secret cult. Kuba nama conditions akhona ukuthi the day you do this is the day you die. The reason why bekutshela lokho is because lo muntu osephila kuwe akusasenguwe. Sokuphila lwana umuntu asebemvuse bamfaka phakathi kwakho. Lo muntu kazwani la leyo nto abayishoyo ukuthi ungayenzi. The day uyenza you die. Why do you die the day you do that? It's because of loyo muntu, the day uzoyenza leyo nto, loyo muntu uzosuka kuwe. Uma esesuka loyo muntu, inyama yakho ayisela choice, so kumele ife because of your spiritual person is already gone. Akasekho vese. Ubuwena spiritual vela akusekho. So the day you do this is the day you die. Laphayana nje into okufanele ngabe bakutshela yona ukuthi the day usenza lento is because lo muntu ongaphakathi kwakho uzosuka kuahambe. Some of them, they don't die physically, but the day they do something wrong is the day inotho yakhona iphela. Why iphela inotho? It's because lwana umuntu usehambile. Listen properly. Listen very attentively. Ukuze understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why vele inotho yomuntu othwalayo isiba fast kangaka ukufika. Okay? Athi sengikutshelile ukuthi laphana akusaphili wena. Sekuphila lwana umuntu asebemfakile ngaphakathi onguyena oseyispirit sakho. Okay? Remember, uma bekunika lwana umuntu ezophila kuwe, this is a person who has lived before on earth. Okay, so ubevele nothile loyo muntu useke waphila emhlabeni, ubevele nothile vese. So uma beqala bemfaka phakathi kwakho lona umuntu, into ayenzayo kuqala bayamtshela ukuthi zonke izinto kade unazo usaphila emhlabeni zidonse zibuye kulo muntu. So lwana umuntu uma ephila phakathi kwakho useqalisa ukudonsa izinto ake waba lazo before. If the person was rich, has ube na 25 cars, now imoto ezingu-25 uzoba lazo fast. Because lwana umuntu into ayaziyo, into ake wayenza before esaphila. Usephila kuwe manje uzozidonsa lezo zinto. If ube nama businesses uzowadonsa lawo ma business azoba khona kuwe. But the problem is now, lawo ma business aso wakho ngawalwana umuntu. Abantu abathwalayo noma abantu abasuka bayefika kuma secret society bafike bancenga inotho noma bancenga ukuthwala into lezana so zabo. This is why sometimes into zakhona makungasabanga nomuntu ojoina that secret cult in the family ayiqhubeki iyaphela the day they die. Why iphela the day they die? It's because of lwana umuntu like asela ndawo yokuthi angahlala ngabantu bephila phakathi kwakho usufile wena inyama yakho isifile sokumele la ahambe because iroom lakhe seliphelile, accommodation has expired. So umuntu othwele ka own anything ayikho into anayo nje, lezo zinto nje asozakhe ma wahamba wayothwala ngesipoko ngoba kwathi lezo zinto nje akusezakho. The reason why sithi asozakho is because of yebo uzophila uzozi-enjoy and all those stuffs, but the day you die ziyakulandela. It's because of lento lo muntu abamvuse kuwe abamvusileyo bamfaka phakathi kwakho, the day when usifa lazo izinto lezana ziyahamba angeke zikwazi ukuba i-inheritance phezu kwabantu abakho. No one is going to explain to you this the way I'm explaining it to you now. Akekho. So uma ufuna ukuyathwala, you can go on, do it, it's not a problem, do it. But one thing you have to know ukuthi when I own anything lapho and kunama terms and conditions akhona, ma kuyukuthi and ama terms and conditions akhona most and usually aba so confusing, aba strange nje. Uzokuthiwa condition number 1 akumelanga ubulisa umuntu wesifazane opregnant. How are you going to know ukuthi lo pregnant? So the best option sokumele uyenze manje ma unikezwe such a condition, sokumele ukuthi uhlale ubopha iface, ubopha ubuso, awusakhulumisa umuntu. This is why most of them abathandi ukukhuluma ke labantu, they don't talk. It's because they were given such conditions. Don't greet a pregnant woman. The day you greet a pregnant woman is the day you die, or is the day not yakhe phela. So continue ngelinye langa abahlali ngathi sinde kakhulu.